how to record screen with sound on Windows without app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So Windows has inbuilt screen recording feature. For that, you'll need to hold the Shift, Windows and R key at the same time, and something like this will open up. Now you can see the camera and the video option. You need to go to the video option and then you'll need to select the area that you want to screen record and open up the mic and then hit start, and then it will start screen recording. And while it is screen recording, on the top you'll see a pop-up that is square to stop the recording, and now it will be saved and you can see the preview and you can send it to anyone you want to. It will be saved in the screen recording tabs on your file explorer. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.